Rescue bots, roll to the rescue!
We might need all hands on this one.
Thank you, whomever you are.
Cody?
Just because I'm not big doesn't mean I can't help.
Actually, it does.
The cart is a little old school, Dad. So if it's okay, I'd like to fix her up a little. Awesome!
May I present Cody Burns and his Rolling Thunder.
Statistically speaking, that maneuver should not have worked.
Greetings, Cody. It appears our mining expedition is now a rescue mission.
All right, Rolling Thunder, let's see some lightning.
Rolling Thunder, roll to the rescue.
On alternative vehicle routes only.